Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how I organize my job applications with Notion. As we all know, my friends, because most of my subscribers at this point are my dearest friends, as you all know, I am currently unemployed. And have you ever run into the problem that you just had too many job ad tabs open in your browser to a degree that you can't even see the icons anymore? Well, yeah, that's me, or that used to be me, because now I found this great note-taking app that makes organizing it so much easier. Like so much easier. And today I will show you how I do it. I found Notion, not sponsored, through Ali Abdel and his insanely productive videos. After watching enough videos of him, I got influenced into getting Notion, and after I got it, I have to say I am quite impressed by the functionality of Notion, especially including the Chrome extension that I use. It has changed the game. So let me show you. Here's how I do it. In Denmark, one of the main pages where job ads are being posted, the one that collects it the best, I guess, is Job Index. Even my job center, they have an internal job posting site, and they told me that Job Index is just way better. So usually almost all jobs that are being posted in Denmark, you can find them on Job Index. This is also what's nice about Job Index is you can see this preview and the company and the title, and then I usually base it off the title real quick, but then I also go and skim this preview real quick. If I think it's fairly interesting, I open a new tab with it, and then I have this huge array of tabs open, and then I just slowly go through them and skim the job ads quite quickly, and if I find them interesting, I save the page to Notion. This really has been a kind of like a game changer for how I organize my job applications. It makes it a lot easier. So now let me show you an example of how I do it. Well, let me start out by showing you Notion. This is Notion, and I'm here in my job applications page, and I've kind of structured it this way. So I have the company name, the position, the status. I have different types of statuses. I put in noted if I haven't applied yet, and I put in not applied if the deadline has already passed. So you can already see here that I haven't applied to 2 positions that I might have wanted to, but I kind of missed the deadline. So after that, I have this tab is my apply ASAP tab. If a deadline is coming very near, I put that tab in, and then I can filter it with the apply ASAP one. Then I have date posted, next deadline, which is the deadline, and the date that I applied. Here's the job description as an URL. And so this is how I used to do it, the job ad as PDF. I would go into Chrome, download the job ad by using the print function, and then I have here the cover letter and the CV that I use. I would put it in here because for most positions I would tweak and twist some little things so it fits the position better. I do it for almost every position, and I have 2 types of CVs that I use mainly. Obviously with the cover letter you have to adjust it for the company position and all that stuff, so that's why I put it in here, so I have an overview of what I used and which CV I exactly use. And then here in the comment section I just put some comments in that might be relevant. So yeah, this is Notion, which as this is already very functional, but then I found out that with the Chrome extension you can actually save the web pages. I mean, it doesn't save it exactly with the design and all the pictures, so it saves the main text field, which is completely enough because I save it for the information purposes anyways. I just save it in case I ever get invited to an interview. Then I have the job ad there, I can prepare better for the job interview, and that's why I do it. So that's completely enough. I just go into my Chrome, and then one of the job ads that I'm interested in, I just click on the Notion extension and click on save page. It adds it to the job applications already because I've been doing that. Then I open Notion, and then on the bottom of my database table it's saved here, and I just make a new line with the company and I just link it to the company name. I mean, I could put it in the space where I had job ed as PDF, but I'm probably just gonna delete that column once I'm kind of done with that part. The other functionality about Notion that is really great is here you have the show all, and if you just, instead of looking at it in this view where you see all the jobs and each line for each job, you can change the view by due dates. So if I do that, I can see today's date, and then I can see that the next deadlines, and I can just go into them and then see which positions I still want to apply to. Yes. So this makes it a lot easier to organize, and this was actually one of the reasons I was so mind blown by the functionality, especially also combining it with the Chrome extension, as it really just helps to make things easier. And I guess that's what life is all about, right? I don't know, I feel like this was kind of messy, but yes, this is how I organize my job applications. And yeah, that's basically it, I guess. This is editing Heidi over here. I realized I didn't do an outro again. However, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it somewhat useful. Yeah, if you found it somewhat useful, please subscribe, like, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video.